Salam guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna make chicken crepes, and crepes can literally be filled with about anything and it'll still always taste great. So yes, let's see how to do it. To marinate the chicken, first we're gonna add 500 grams of boneless chicken, and to that we are gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 cups of onions and bell peppers. Moving to spices, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes and oregano. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix well and marinate for about 30 minutes. Now to make the crepe batter, you need 2 cups of milk, 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoons of butter. You can also use refined oil, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You're gonna add them gradually to the wet ingredients and mix them really well so that it doesn't form any kinds of lumps. So basically you just need a thin batter just like this. And now you're gonna cook the marinated chicken. For that you'll need about 2 tablespoons of oil and stir fry them for about 5 minutes. And then you're gonna cover them and cook them for about 10 minutes until most of the liquid has disappeared and the chicken is fully cooked through. Now to make the crepes, make sure that it is in low flame, and then you're gonna pour 1 ladle full of batter into the pan and swirl the batter just like this around until it covers the bottom of the pan. Cook the both sides for about 1 minute, and when the edges start to turn golden brown, that's your cue to take it out. All set. So now we are going to make the stuffing. So I'm going to use a little bit of mayonnaise on it, placing for about 2 spoons of chicken, and to that I'm going to add very little amount of cheese. And now you're going to fold both the sides. To make the crepes stay intact, I'm going to use all-purpose flour paste on both sides. Basically, you're going to mix the flour with water, and that's how you make the paste. And now moving to the final stage, you can use ghee or you can use oil to slightly toast the crepes. And ta-da! They are ready to serve, and these chicken filled crepes, they turned out to be really delicious. I hope you guys try it out. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Missing someone.